Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you are always happy and healthy. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, here with Setiawan and you can call me Awan, okay? Today I want to talk about something we all experience as students, public speaking. Okay, my topic is how do public speaking skill help students beyond the classroom? Okay, so let's think about this for a moment. Have you never felt nervous speaking in front of people? I think most of us have. But today, I will show you why the experience actually help us grow not only as students, but as a people. Alright, before we go deeper, let's talk about why this topic is matter. Many students think public speaking is just another school text. Something we do for grades, presentation, or competition. But actually, it's much more than that. Here, I want to show how the skill we learn from public speaking go beyond the classroom. It's about how this skill shapes our character, way of thinking, and even our future opportunities. When we learn to speak clearly and confidently, we are not just improve our speech, we are improving how we express ideas, how we connect with others, and how we understand ourselves. Okay? And now, I want you to remember this too. Public speaking builds three important things: confidence, critical thinking, and social skill. Let's break that down a little. Confidence. Because every time we speak, we overcome fear and learn to trust our own voice. Critical thinking. Because preparing a speech trains our brain to organize information, evaluate ideas, and deliver them logically. And the last is social skill. Because when we speak to others, we learn to listen, respond, and connect. So, public speaking is not just about talking. It's about communication effectively, learning to express what matters to us, and influencing how people and feel. Okay, let's start with the personal side. Public speaking helps us become more confident and self-aware. When we stand in front of others, we learn to manage our fear, control our voice, and express what we truly think. For example, I'm sure many of us felt stage fright the first time we spoke in class. Hands shaking, voice trembling. But after we do it a few times, it gets easier, right? Yeah, that's because every time we speak, we build a stronger version of ourselves. Public speaking teaches us that confidence is not something we are born with. It's something we practice. Okay, now let's move to how public speaking helps in academic and professional life. When we prepare a speech, We learn to think critically, to organize our ideas, and to explain them clearly, right? These are the same skills we use in writing essay, doing project, or even solving problem. But it goes further. Public speaking also with leadership skill. For example, a student who is confident presenting in class will also be confident in job interview or meeting later in life. So basically, every time we speak in front of a class, we are training for the real world. Next, beside personal and academic benefit, public speaking also affects how we connect with others. It helps us become better communicator and listener. We learn to understand different perspectives. That is what empathy is. Public speaking also help us build relationship. People are naturally drawn to those who can express themselves well. Think about a motivational speaker or someone who gives a powerful speech. They can inspire others, even change how people think. That is the true social power of communication. Using your voice to make a difference. Okay? So, to wrap up, public speaking is much more than a classroom activity. It helps us grow personality, success academically, and connect socially. Remember these quotes. Your voice matters. Use it wisely. Okay. My message for everyone here is: don't wait for a perfect moment to speak, but create one. Practice in small ways. Share ideas in class. Talk in a group discussion, or even record yourself. The more you speak, the more powerful your voice becomes. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening and attention. Once again, thank you, and remember, speak up because your voice truly matters. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.